Welcome. My name is Odile Faludi and I'm a starting customer conversation specialist. Each week I've been bringing you tips and I hope you're enjoying them and gaining from my years of experience in this field. The myth that is commonly thrown around is that most successful callers are born, not made. I think it's false. A good cold caller has natural attributes. I don't think anyone could dispute that. They know how to maximize their personality, they amplify and switch on their great traits, communication traits, and they know how to engage. But in saying that, anyone can learn the fine art of starting customer conversations. It's no different to an elite athlete. It requires an enormous amount of practice and continual coaching. But with daily practice, you will get better. So please don't give up and you will reap the benefits. So if you'd like to find out more tips, feel free to follow me on LinkedIn or on Twitter @Odile Faludi.